Wow. Good day, guys. Welcome to another webinar for the month of August. I'm going to be discussing movement for the month of August. So yeah, let's get straight to it without wasting time. Now, a lot of people blew accounts yesterday. And one of the reasons is I have told people time and time again that July, the bank traders are taking like the bank traders are on the summer holidays, right? The we're talking about USA, talking about London, GBP and USD, right? And they're the biggest forex market movers, right? So if they take a holiday, obviously the market doesn't move. It's sort of like consolidates. Then when they come back into the market, you'll see impact, immediate impact, right? So July, they came from winter, then summer holidays came, and then this is when summer came through, right? So with that said, now they're back at work, and this is why from like yesterday, the market moved in a hectic way because they are back in. You understand? When you come back in, you show that you are back. So I have told people time and time again, mentored, that do not trade Mondays. No matter how tempting the market is, avoid trading Mondays, okay? But yeah, let's get straight to the market, see what happened and stuff like that, right? Let's not waste time. Let me share my screen. Share, cool. Right. We've got this first. Let's first start with the fundamentals. This week, was a holiday yesterday for Canadian, but there was some USD movement news. There's interest rate that happened today in the morning. Then there's some USD news coming up from tomorrow and Thursday. And then there's a holiday in SA Friday. So you guys can trade, right? What you're looking for next week is the CPI, right? We're looking for this movement here. We will predict it. We will give you the signal. It will be good because we like it because it moves one direction. It doesn't spike both ways and kill buyers and sellers. So we like that CPI. But yeah, that's what's going to be happening next week. So let's get straight to the charts, right? First thing that we're covering, JPY, right? I have said since July that JPY, Japanese yen, is going to strengthen. So as per this prediction, um, was on the 1st of July. We saw a pin bar. Then there was that candle forming a morning star there on the 15th, on the 8th of July. That shows that there's a reversal coming. And then the reversal did come. It broke. Once it broke, also that resistance straight up broke it. It showed that Japanese yen is really strong. So that's from July. We knew that we were supposed to be buying it, right? So it has moved up drastically since then. Even went past my TP, right? Which I've expected there from that moving average. So now when price breaks a certain level, it has to come back and retest. So we're expecting some weakness in Japanese yen now to further push to the upside, right? Cool. So now Japanese yen, we did expect Japanese yen to be strong. Um, yeah. So USD JPY, as you can see from this side, it was uptrend. Every time it hits this trend line, it would drop, drop, drop. And that's exactly what happened here. Japanese yen strengthened and there was a drop. Um, yeah. So this obviously, like I said, when there's a breakout at a certain level, that moving average, you can see that it was holding Japanese yen, USD JPY as support, right? Now what happened? It broke there. So what is going to happen, that has to happen, is after a breakout of a certain level, price has to come back, retest before continuing to the downside. So now expect some retracement on Japanese yen weakness just for a while, then we're gonna sell it, right? Cool. So just expect that to happen, right? Yesterday, there was some hectic movement. You can see that US 30 dropped hectically. That was from like yesterday. US 30 has dropped, has hit target. So for the month, this is my leading indicator. It has hit target. And then we're looking for probably a double bottom or 61.8 there to hit. So we're expecting that to happen and then a push to the upside, right? At least. So we're going to be buying US 30 soon, right? Cool. So with that said, when we're looking at what price happened on daily on US 30, we can see that price was yesterday moving hectically down, hit a certain level, then retrace quickly up. So that means the buyers are in. The buyers are pushing in from this level here, right? The buyers are pushing in from this level here. Because once a certain level, when a certain level hits and price rejects, it tells you that there's a lot of buy orders in that level. So yes, US 30 is going to push to the upside now. We're expecting some push to the upside, right? So yeah, I showed you on my leading indicator how I saw that it hit support. This was always there. It's leading because it draws itself before market moves. So it hit there on weekly target, monthly target. It is there to go further up. So once it hits these zones, it rejects and moves up. So expect US 30 bias, right? Cool. Gold, there's a double top here, right? Shape, double top here. So we're expecting momentum to move to the downside. This is just a retracement to hit somewhere here because it broke out of this consolidation, coming back, the retest to continue to the downside. So on a clean chart, there's the double top. We've been sitting in this channel. We've been sitting in this channel, right? Retesting there. Every time on this moving average, you can see retest, retest. So once we break that, we're free to go for long term. But we're looking for sales, still looking for sales here on that pair. But it was consolidating in this zone. So probably gonna come back, reject to drop, right? So we're looking for that rejection there for perfect entry to drop to the downside. So that's gold. DXY. Let me just clear this. Remove that. Okay, so it was in this channel. It broke out, did a ABC, right? This level has always rejected, but just to clean up the chart now, what you must know is what's happening here. I like the 61.8 retracement, FIB retracement. So for dollar, you understand that price went up, right? Came down to the 61.8. This is 61.8 if you can't see clearly. Let me just make it a line graph. You see that is 61.8 zone there. So at the 61.8, you can see there's no candle close below the 61.8. You see price spiked yesterday, was killing traders, messing up traders, blowing accounts because the bank traders are back. And then just trying to clear the market before they start work, which they did. And now you can see that that candle didn't close below. It spiked all the way down to come back and reverse 50%. So you can see if there's no candle close, then today's candle is a bullish candle. We're definitely moving to the upside at that 61.8 zone. So we're buying dollar, the DXY. Please don't trade them as if you see DXY strength here, strength coming here, then all of them are gonna show strength, right? Because yeah, this is not the time to correlate, right? But yes, DXY is strong, gold is dropping, right? Let's look at so if we said US 30 drop is gonna come up, NASDAQ, right? also, let's look at the leading indicator. So I did say dollar is gonna be strong. As per this leading indicator, price came down, hit that zone. Now it's pushing up. That was just clearing some accounts. It was perfect on weekly target, hit there, reversed. So we're looking for dollar strength all the way. Now with US 30, we're saying it's going to be bullish here as well. NASDAQ hit the zone, pushed further down, but yeah, we know that we're looking for buys now, and yeah, it did buy. It did buy here on weekly double bottom. It's buying just 50% retracement to this level, pushing further up, right? So we're buying the indices, Yeah, we are buying indices. And then last one, Bitcoin, BTC USD. Look, it was consolidating in this consolidation. It was consolidating in this block, right? It broke out yesterday. Look at that candle, spiked down, 50% retracement. Like I said, just to kill traders. And then now we're just gonna come back, retest where we broke out to drop further down. So yeah, the rest of the pairs we will look at next week when they are relevant. But for now, these are what you focus on. JPY strength. We looked at US 30 NASDAQ drop. They are buys, sorry. We're going bullish here. And then gold, we are selling. DXY itself as the index, we are buying. And then yeah, Bitcoin, we're gonna sell, but we are buying for now. So just keep note of everything that I've said. And yes, do know the pen traders are back. So there will be a lot of volatility in the market. So be careful, put your stop losses, trade carefully. Yeah, just focus, just trade carefully because now, yeah, the market is gonna start moving. So that's my analysis for the week. Let me recap on this side. We are buying US 30. We are selling gold, double top. We are buying DXY. We are buying Bitcoin. We are buying Nasdaq. So yeah, that's it. Good luck. Cheers. Stop sharing. Stop sharing.